Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we have Windows 11. Let's get it on. So Microsoft has released Windows 11, despite saying that Windows 10 was going to be the last and only Windows that we would ever need. We have Windows 11. Let's go ahead and check out what's in it. All right, so let's start off with one of the bigger things on the consumer side. That's going to be the Microsoft Marketplace. It's been lacking, for lack of better words. It's hard to find good quality apps on there. And so what they're doing is they're allowing the marketplace to be expanded. So they're going to be incorporating Android apps into their marketplace, and they're going to be able to run on Windows 11. I have mixed feelings about this. I'm just tempted to see what it looks like and how it performs. Like if you were to use something like Instagram or TikTok, how would that work on your Windows 11 device? I kind of have a feeling that they're trying to push Windows 11 to make it more cool. But time will tell. There's also a new start menu, which I thought was pretty cool, the way they have it set up. They did move it from the bottom left of the taskbar to the center of the taskbar, much like you'll find like on an Apple. However, their new start menu utilizes a recommended section, which has basically your frequently used documents and different photos or something that you access. So let's say you're working on an Excel document, you use it frequently, it's going to show up in that area. They also have your search bar and your pinned apps. Now, this is pretty cool. Is what you can do is your start menu will stay the same no matter what machine you're on. So it utilizes Office 365. So if you move from one computer to another computer frequently, you're going to always have your same start menu. Some people might not like this though, especially if you have a shared computer that somebody doesn't want to use a Office 365 account. Let's see how that plays out. Microsoft has also updated the cosmetics and overall look and feel of Windows operating system. Unlike Windows 10, which was it was progressive, however, it still felt very corporate-like. This new Windows 11 interface feels a lot more modernized. It has rounded edges, it's got transparent backgrounds. You can adjust its themes. You can adjust it from light to dark and various other themes, or customize your own, which is pretty neat. Another big productivity boost is the snapping. A lot of office workers love to use the snapping for multitasking. They can have a web browser up on the left, or they can have their Excel document on the right. Now you can customize your snapping. You can use up to 4 windows. You can have one on each corner. You can have one on each side with 2 in the middle. And you can also use snap grouping. So let's say you're working on a document and you have everything snapped together and you get an email that you have to respond to. You can respond to that email, it'll minimize your snap group, and then you just click on that snap group and it'll pop right back up as it was originally snapped. Also new in Windows 11 is Feeds. Feeds is basically a collection of widgets similar to an iOS device where you can have sports scores, you can have the news, stocks, that sort of thing. I'm not a real big fan, to be honest. I don't use it on my iOS devices, and I don't know many people who actually do. I think most people, when they want to search for something, they just Google it. But that's there if you are interested in it. Overall, I think Microsoft is taking a step in the right direction with Windows 11. The updates are very subtle, but very powerful at the same time. It's not like Windows 7 to Windows 8, where they went full tablet mode and nobody liked it. So I think it's a really good enhancement. I think what Microsoft is trying to do with Windows 11 is make it a responsive design that can be used with both tablets and PCs simultaneously. This would include, utilizing a Microsoft Surface or using it on your PC. It wouldn't matter. Your experience would be the same all around, which is cool because now they're using Microsoft Office 365, and now all your apps and your data will all be synced together. I'm curious to see how this plays out. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time.